Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Subuta, a Japanese version of sweet and sour pork. Deep-fried crispy pork coated in a thick, sweet vinegary sauce is one of the most popular Chinese dishes in Japan. We'll show you how to make it at home. These are the ingredients. For more information and complete recipe, visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we are going to cut the pork into 1.5-inch squares. We are using boneless pork loin today, but you can use any cuts of pork you like. In a medium bowl, place the pork chunks and add salt and sake and rub them together by hand a little bit and let sit for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we prepare the vegetables. Cut the onion into wedges. Peel and cut the carrot into large chunks. And green bell peppers too. Roughly chop like that. And cut the pineapple slices into bite-sized pieces. We are using canned pineapple for convenience, but you can also use the fresh one if you like. Heat the deep frying oil at medium heat and deep fry the vegetables, one kind at a time. Don't overcook, just for 30 seconds or so for carrot, and even less for onions and bell peppers, about 15 seconds. The pieces can get done really quickly, so please watch carefully. Remove from the oil and set aside. Coat the pork chunks lightly with katakuriko or potato starch, or you can just use cornstarch. We use much less batter around the meat, just the starch alone. Once the meat is covered with the starch, we are going to deep fry. Drop them in the same oil and deep fry at medium heat for a few minutes, turning a couple of times. When the meat turns golden brown, remove from the oil and set aside. In a medium bowl, mix all the ingredients for the sauce and pour in a frying pan or a wok and cook at medium heat, stirring constantly. And when the sauce is bubbling and thickened, add the cooked pork and the vegetables. And stir for a couple of minutes. Add the pineapple at the end. Sweet and sour pork is so popular that you can get it almost any Chinese restaurants. But our home-cooked Japanese version is delicious too. They are deep fried but not overly greasy, and the sweet and tangy sauce is not too sweet. We hope you will give this a try.
美味しいね。